what's up YouTube? I'm Zain and I'm not here to waste your time and give you a whole list of credit cards. Now, if you're looking to keep your spending down while also being on holiday, then this is the credit card for you. Today I'm here to present to you the one and only credit card, which is amazing for travel. Now, if you subscribe and stay tuned to my next video, I'll be giving you a home tour of my home in Tenerife and how I've managed to basically live here for free. But even though I live for free, I found that travel in the world can be very expensive. What if I told you that with this amazing credit card, the Halifax Clarity Credit Card, you can save yourself almost half the cost of traveling. Now, this isn't one of those credit cards that will ask you to spend $4,000 in the first 3 months and then that way you can earn the rewards. While those air miles can be great, it's not in everybody's budget to be spending $4,000 in such a short amount of time. And honestly, if you're from the UK and want to travel anywhere in Europe, then Ryanair is definitely your buddy. With flights now costing only 25 euros to go abroad, this winter season or any winter season is basically the cheapest time to find any airline tickets to anywhere in Europe. And I know what you're thinking.
See, but it's cold!
Yeah, it's cold. In the UK it is. Not if you go to the continent of Africa in Morocco, which you can find deals with Ryanair. Or not if you go to the Canary Islands where I am right now. The weather here is fantastico! Okay, let's get down to business and talk about the 3 perks of this credit card. Number 1, you can use this credit card with no foreign transaction fees whatsoever. Now, foreign transaction fees are basically your bank charging you 2 to 3% more per transaction every time you spend money abroad. Now, yes, you're right. While this doesn't sound like much, imagine if you were to spend $2,000 while you're abroad. With the 3% charge, that takes it up to $2,060. And I know what you're thinking, it's not really much, but why spend more when you can save more and invest more, honey? Come on, guys, we're trying to be financially free.
If you don't hate the video just yet, feel free to click the like button. Okay, thanks, bye!
And the second perk of this credit card is you will also not be charged any foreign cash withdrawal fees on any ATMs you use. So if you ever go to get some cash out from a machine and the ATM warns you, your bank may charge you or whatever the hell they say, you don't have to worry because with this credit card, your bank will not be charging you any more fees. However, sadly, that does not stop the actual ATM machine from charging you €3.95 every time you use it. Hello? Oh no, I'm receiving a warning! I'm just kidding, guys, but beware of the big con of this credit card. The biggest con of this credit card that I wasn't initially aware of, it is that you're charged daily interest on any cash you take out. That is a big bummer for me because while you're abroad, you're always gonna find lots of stores that don't accept card and you're gonna have to take cash out. Of course, initially, I wasn't aware that I would be charged daily interest on this. I've taken cash out before and I've seen my credit debt go up and I was like, say what? Now, if you know me, you know I don't like debt and I try to pay everything off on a weekly basis. But going to pay my credit card debt daily is a bit too much just because I want to be doing other things. Like, I like to pretend like I have a life. I like to pretend like I have friends, even though I don't. Now that I've told you about this con, I'm gonna go on to continue talking about the perks. Number 3, but before I like the video and subscribe, please, come on. Number 3, the perk is you get the MasterCard exchange rate, which is normally one of the highest, one of the best. I definitely wouldn't be getting cash exchanged in the UK anymore because the exchange rate on the MasterCard is so much better. So what I tend to do is just take my credit card with me to the foreign country and I'll just get cash out there. I'll just pay off the debt straight away so you don't have any interest added on your money daily. Yeah, but I've definitely learned my lesson now. How about you? Does anybody else have this credit card? It is my first credit card and I'd love to hear what you guys think of it. Now finally, I'd like to address one last con of this credit card and that is its interest rate. Now the interest rate is 19.99, which is very high. For me, that's not a problem because I pay my debt all the time, weekly, sometimes daily. I'm just that cool. However, if you're the kind of person that ends up going with a credit card debt each month, then this is definitely not the credit card for you. Instead, I can recommend the Revolut Debt card, which basically has the exact same features, except it's not a credit card. And therefore, you're in control of your spending. It's also a great card for budgeting, so you kind of put as much money as you'd like, and you can use that card for certain things only. The only thing is you wouldn't be building your credit score, but at the same time, if you know yourself and you know you're going to be ending up with credit card debt, then you're not really building your credit score anyways. So I hope I was able to help out in this video, and if you liked this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Have a good day.